Nagluluto naman tayo ngayon ng gulay. Of course, I put olive oil and then I am now sautéing the garlic and onion. Then we will put, of course, shrimps. Now I'm going to put soy sauce. And of course our black pepper powder for aroma. Then you have to mix again. And cook it very well. We have to close it a little bit. And now we are going to put the sayote and carrots together. Mix it very well. Then we will put a little bit salt. Little bit water in order to cook the vegetable. A little bit Maggi seasoning, liquid seasoning. Let's again mix it and then cook it very well. We will cover again. I have also here red bell pepper. We can also put it together here. And the last one, I have here a cabbage, sliced cabbage. Then I can also put it together here. We will just cook maybe 2 to 3 minutes until the cabbage is cooked, then it's already done. So we have to cover again, wait for 2 to 3 minutes, and let's see later. So let us now see. Wow, I think it's already cooked. Our vegetable is finished. Sauteed vegetable with shrimps, and that's yummy. So it's already done.